Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw this figure in AutoCAD. Let's start. I'm going to create a rectangle first. Type rec. At 9.6, comma, negative 9.6. After that, I'm going to create a line. Type L. Connecting these two corners. Enter. Then followed by circle. Type C. Center point is this corner up to this midpoint. And then I'm going to remove this arc outside using trim command. TR, enter. Then remove, enter. Then I'm going to replicate this arc using array. Type AR, array. Select this, enter. Select polar, and then select this center or the midpoint of this line. And then I'm going to type I to specify the number of items. Since I want only 4, I'm going to type 4. Enter. That's it. And then I'm going to create another line here on this side. Enter. Again, replicating this using array. Type AR. Select this. Enter. Select polar. And then center point on this side. Type again I to specify the number of items. And then I want 4 items. Enter. There you go. And then followed by the rounded corner here. That is the last part. I'm going to use fillet now. F, enter. Rounded corner radius is actually 1. So I'm going to type a radius of 1, R, 1, enter. Then I can now select 2 edges, 1, 2. Press the space bar to execute the previous command. 1, 2, space bar again. Specify the previous command and then select the 2 edges. Space bar, select the 2 edges. That's it. We're done with our drawing. Thank you very much. See you next time.